forget to like, share and subscribe.
Hello students, today we are going to discuss extra problem based on properties of determinant. Problem number 1. By using properties of determinants, show that LH is equal to RHS. So when it's such type questions, first write LHS. Minus A square, AB, AC, BA minus B square, BC, CA, CB minus C square. फर्स्ट स्टेप, अगर कहीं भी डिटरमिनेंट में कुछ भी कॉमन आ रहा है तो पहले अपन कॉमन लेंगे एंड राइट हैंड साइड में आपको चाहिए a स्क्वायर b स्क्वायर c स्क्वायर. देखो a कॉमन आ रहा है, r1 में से a कॉमन ले सकते हैं, r2 में से b, r3 में से c. सो फर्स्ट राइट taking common factor factors a b c from r1 r2 r3 respectively is equal to a b c. A from R1, so we get minus A, B, C. B from R2, so A minus, B, so A minus B and C. Taking common C from R3, so A, B minus C. Now again. Taking common A, B and C from C1, C2, C3. So we get A square, B square, C square. Minus 1, 1, 1. 1, 1, minus 1, 1, 1, minus 1. After this, again more simplify. Then no need to write every time taking common factors A, B, C from R1, R2, R3, C1, C2, C3 only for understanding. Next step, आपको क्या करना है, मैक्सिमम जीरो लाने की कोशिश करना है and then expand. So just see, C1 tends to C1 plus C2. In determinant, we can apply both the operation together. Either column operation or row operation. So please take care. Here row and next step column. When we had C1 plus C2, what happened? Minus 1 plus 1. 0. 1 minus 1. 0. 1 plus 1. 2. So we write C1 tends to C1 plus C2. And now write other columns as it is 1, minus 1, 1, 1, 1, minus 1. Now expanding along C1. Zero into any number 0, so no need to write, plus minus. 0 into any number 0 plus 2 in bracket 1 into 1 1, then sign of formula minus, then minus 1 into 1 minus 1, so plus 1. I forgot ABC right here, ABC, A square B square C square, A square B square C square. Now simplify, 2 into 2 4. So 4A square B square C square. Next problem. Question number 2. Prove that this equal to this. There are 4 factors in right hand side. So first find any 3 factors and then expand. First go for largest factor if possible. Try for a plus b plus c, not possible. So go for remaining factors a minus b, b minus c, c minus a. A minus b, b minus c. So find any two factors at a time. Start from LHS. 1, 1, 1, a, b, c, a cube, b cube, c cube. Applying. Whenever 3, 1 in R1, always write this option. C2 tends to C2 minus C1. अगर 3, 1 हो R1 में तो आपको C2 minus C1 and C3 minus C1 रट लो बिल्कुल, ये ऑपरेशन लगेगा. Now write C1 as it is 1 a cube. C1 minus C2 minus C1, this minus this, 1 minus 1 0, b minus a and b cube minus a cube. 1 minus 1 0, c3 minus c1, c minus a and c cube minus a cube. अब now write factors. 1 a cube, 0 b minus a and factor of this b minus a, b square plus ba plus a square, then 0 c minus a, c minus a, c square plus ca plus a square. Taking common b minus a from C2 and c minus a from C3. 1 a cube, 0 1 b square plus ba plus a square, 0 1 c square plus ca plus a square, and into b minus a, c minus a. Now we get 2 0 in row 1. So expanding along R1. B minus a as it is, c minus a as it is, in bracket 1. Now 1 into this, so c square plus ca plus a square minus 1 into this, and outside minus sign is there, so each and every term is negative. So minus b square minus ba minus a square, then minus 0 into any number 0 and plus 0, equal to b minus a, c minus a square and a square cancel. Now rearrange. Write c, we have to find c square minus b square as it is. Two factors we get, b minus a, c minus a. Now b minus a also required. C square minus b square together, and write ca minus ba together. इन दोनों को साथ में लिख लो. b minus a, c minus a. Now again factor of this, c plus b and c minus b plus ca. Now what is common? A. So we get c minus b. B minus a, c minus a, c minus b common. So we get c plus b plus a. And now arrange. In right hand side a minus b is there, so minus sign common. So we can write a minus b. Then b minus c, but here c minus b. So again minus sign common. So minus minus plus, we get b minus c. then C minus A, or at last A plus B plus C. Next problem. To get this equal to this. Again there are 4 factors. So using properties, first find at least 3 factors. So first write LHS. LHS equal to x square yz, y square zx, z square xy. X minus y, so we can subtract r1 minus r2, then we get x minus y. But at a time we can apply only one property for more than one property. So it is better subtract r2 tends to r2 minus r1 and r3 tends to r3 minus r1. So we get y minus x and z minus x equal to x square yz as it is, y minus z, y square minus z square, and y minus x, y square minus x square, zx minus yz. After this r3 minus r1, z minus x, z square minus x square, xy minus yz. After this, write factors x, y minus x, z minus x. Now x square, factor of this y plus x, y minus x. Factor of this z plus x, z minus x. Yz as it is. Now zx minus yz. Z common, then we get x minus y. So z common, then we get x minus y. But here y minus x is there. So taking minus z common, so we get y minus x. Similarly, taking common y, then we get x minus z. But here z minus x. So taking common minus z, minus y, sorry. So we get z minus x. Now taking common factors y minus x from r2, z minus x from r3. So now write x 1 x square yz, y minus x common, so 1 y plus x and minus z. After this z minus x common, so 1 z plus x and minus y. So we get 2 factors, y minus x, z minus x. Y minus x means this one, z minus means, now find y minus z. Y minus z means subtract r2 minus r3. So minus z plus y. So next operation, r2 tends to r2 minus r3. Y minus x, z minus x, x square yz. Now 1 minus 1, 0. This minus this, y minus z. Minus z plus y means y minus z. 1 z plus x minus y. Now y minus z common, so y minus x, z minus x, y minus z. So inside we get x, x square, yz, 0, 1, 1, 1, z plus x minus y. And now expanding along, now simple calculation. We get three factors, so simple calculation. Expanding along C1. So y minus x z minus x y minus z in bracket x. So this minus this, so minus y minus z minus x. After this minus 0, 0 into any number 0, so no need to write, plus now 1 into x square minus yz. Now simplify, y minus x, z minus x, y minus z in bracket minus xy minus xz minus x square plus x square plus x square and minus yz. Bracket close. X square and x square cancel. Now rearrange. Y minus x, taking minus sign common, so we get x minus y. Then y minus z as it is, z minus x as it is, and taking minus sign common, so plus in bracket xy plus xz plus yz equal to right hand side. Next problem, prove that this equal to this. So first write left hand side. Left hand side equal to x plus 4, 2x, 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 x plus 4, 2x, 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 x plus 4. Now there are three factors in right hand side. 5x plus 4, 4 minus x, 4 minus x. So first go for largest factor, means 5x plus 4. अगर अपन कौन सा ऑपरेशन लगाएंगे आपको 5x plus 4 मिल जाए. Adding c1, c2 and c3, 2x plus 2x, 4x plus x, 5x plus 4. We can also add r1 plus r2 plus r3, which you like. So you can apply any operation. c1 tends to c1 plus c2 plus c3. So we get 5x plus 4. Here also 5x plus 4. Here also 5x plus 4. Then 2x, x plus 4, 2x, 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 x plus 4. Now taking common factor 5x plus 4 from C1. So we get 1, 1, 1. 2x, x plus 4, 2x. 2x, 2x, x plus 4. अब this time there are 3 1 in column 1. Wherever 3 1 in column 1, always apply these two operations. R2 tends to R2 minus R1. This is R1, R2, R3. So R2 tends to R2 minus R1 and R3 tends to R3 minus R1. So next step, 5x plus 4 as it is. Now R1 also as it is, 1, 2x, 2x. R2 minus R1, 1 minus 1, 0. This minus this, x plus 4 minus 2x means 4 minus x. 2x minus 2x, 0. 2x minus 2x, 0. Now R3 minus R1, 1 minus 1, 0. 2x minus 2x 0, x plus 4 minus 2x 4 minus x. अब there are two zeros in column 1, there are two zeros in row 3, two zeros in row 2. So expanding along these, anyone. So expanding along column 1, 5x plus 4 in bracket 1 and 2. This into this means 4 minus x whole square minus 0. After this minus 0 and then plus 0. So next step we get 5x plus 4 into 4 minus x whole square equal to right hand side. In next video we will do more questions. Thank you. Have a nice day.